Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025 project. So I'm here to present our idea of straw stubble paper under the theme of Samriddh Bharat from GSS Dabota. So we made this product under the guidance of our respected teachers. As you can see, their name is here. And so let's back to the topic. So our first question is, what is straw stubble paper exactly? It is a common solution of two problems in our society generally. As you can notice that every year millions of trees are cutted down to make paper, which is also which cause a lot of deforestation, as well as if we see from in the end of the year, due to the rice harvest, the lot of amount of parali is collected in fields, which farmer burns to produce air pollution. And if you don't know, the parali is a very high fiber substance. If we are burning it, we are literally burning our future fuel. So why do we need it? As I told you in the previous slide, it solves the two biggest problems in our society nowadays. First of the biggest cause of pollution, burning of paddy straw, you can say parali. Every year tons of dense cloud are formed, which are extremely dangerous not for only our environment but also for our health. And also cutting of trees are also cause a lot of deforestation, and our product, the straw stubble paper, solve both problems at once at a very low cost. Then how to make it? The biggest question is how to make it. It is a simple 5 steps product to make it. First is collecting. We have to collect paddy straw or parali from fields of farmers, and then we have to boil it in the presence of a base substance, normally NaOH. And after 2 to 3 hours of boiling, we have to refine it in grinder and turn it into small particles. And after some time, we just need to put it in a flat surface or a plate, or use a traditional sheet foaming method, which is very eco-friendly. And hence after some times of drying, we get our product, the straw stubble paper. That's it for today. This is our product which we made. This, as you can see, it is totally made up of parali, and which is very eco-friendly. Thank you all.